Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make cover design like this, okay, using Canva. Okay, so let's just get started. And this design is what you can use for YouTube banner art, and my goal is that I'm going to show you how to use this. And this is something that people on Fiverr like it a lot, so you want to learn how to do it. So let's get started. Now Canva is an amazing platform where you can use to do simple design. Sometimes you can go pro with Canva. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to design, first of all, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, that's basically what I'm going to do. In other videos I'm going to show you how to do other things. So let's get started. All right, so first of all, you need to go to www.canva.com, and the next thing you want to do is that you want to use your Gmail. So you can go to sign up. I'm using my Gmail to continue. Okay, so this is what is going to happen, and then I'm going to confirm. Okay, so that's basically how you can do it. So you need a Gmail, or you can just click on sign up and fill the various fields, and then that's what you can do. All right, so this is the interface. Now, one amazing thing about Canva is that you can use it to do a lot of designs and stuff. Now remember, I've been doing a lot of series about Fiverr. Okay, so you might want to check the description or playlist that will pop up as you're watching this video, and then watch my full training on Fiverr. So if you have no idea about what Fiverr is, this is how it is: www.fiverr.com. So what we're going to do is that we want to look at the various skill sets that you can use to monetize and make money on Fiverr. So that's what I'm showing you right now. So I'm using Canva, so let's get started. Okay, so we have this, so we don't need that. We're going to use the free account to do that. So what we want to do is that I want to work out YouTube banners, okay, and then we later look at other things. So I type YouTube, okay, banner. All right, okay, so I'm going to do that because that's the template I'm going to use. Okay, now if you see it this way, I'm going to create this blank, okay, because I want to show you from scratch, so that when you are doing it you easily understand. Okay, so as it's loading, let's get it loaded. Okay, so next is that I want to divide it. So I need a ruler, so I go to file, and then I go to settings, and I show rulers and guidelines. It's very important that you do that. The reason is that for YouTube we are going to use only the middle part, okay, not the rest. So let's divide this into 3. Okay, so 1 and then 2. So we need to have this, okay, done. So we're going to have it here. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. So this, so every design, all our design is going to be here. Okay, so take note of that. And apart from that, we also have to create a margin. So you watch how I'm going to do it, around 400 and 0.5. all right, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to also do the next one, okay, here. So our design is basically going to be here. Okay, so that's what I want. Now one thing you can do is that, let me duplicate and show you something. I want to show I want us to create from scratch, but what I normally do, this can let you work very fast. Okay, now I'm going to use this template. Okay, so this template is basically what I'm going to do. So you can see everything is here. So basically the people will see this, okay, but Canva is going to show you this, but sometimes some of the part cuts off. So that's why I'm using this margin. Now that's why I have this here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a simple way to do it so that I don't need to crack your brains too much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to duplicate this. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick from these various templates and use to build my own. That's why you see me duplicating. Okay, so let me pick the next one. I'm going to choose another template that I can work with. That's not bad. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to let's say this is your picture. So if this is your picture, you can use this. Okay, and then I'm going to put this here. Okay, and then I'm going to add this here. Okay, so basically this is where your picture is going to be. You can put any picture at all. So let me show you how to upload a picture. I click on uploads, and then you can click on upload, and then you can go and pick some pictures. So let me go and pick some pictures. All right, so I have these 2 images. Now let me also help you. Maybe you're getting started on Fiverr, you're on a tight budget, you want to be able to start with something. There are some free websites, you can check them out. Unisplash.com. okay, and then we have Pixabay, which is one of my favorites. So what you can do is that you can click to join. Okay, that's one you can do. So let's say I'm building a banner for someone in the health, and I want to say smile or something. So I type smile face, all right, woman or something, okay, something, okay. And you can see that I have all these high res images, okay. It's for free, so you can you can download them, okay. So I'm not going to go through this. Just make time, go to Pixabay, and and just go around there and then download them and then work with it. So let's go back to Canva. So I'm going to use this, okay. So since I have this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hold it, okay. I don't need this one, so I delete this one, okay. So I delete image, okay. So that's the frame that is in it. I can click and hold it and leave it, and then you see, bam, I have it here. So that's it. So you can see that I already have my image in it there. So that's what I can do with it, okay. So let me get rid of this. Normally what you can do is that this one can be like an outline for it, but I don't need it. So let me delete this and then put this one here. So I'm going to stretch it, and remember this, always stretch from the four corners, okay. Just make sure you stretch it from the four corners, okay. Now this is what I have. I'm going to look for let me go back to Pixabay, okay. Let me download something about smile or happy face group, okay. Group, happy face, okay, faces, okay. So that is going to be like the backdrop, okay. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, something like this. It's not bad, okay. Okay, some of them are just promo, so watch this. This is not free, okay. So these are the free ones, okay. So let me see, happy, okay. Let me pick something. All right, so let me use this, okay. Just just to do this, okay. So I have this. I can just click on save and then save it, okay. You can also click here to download, but for me, let me go to show in folder, and the dimension I want is not really a seriously high res. So if you check, it's 1280. It's very good, high res. So I come back to Canva, I upload, and that's what I'm going to use for. So I come back to, okay, so this is what I'm going to use for it. So I'm going to use this, okay. I pick it up and I'm going to use it for this side, okay. So this is basically what I'm going to use for. So it snap into this, okay. So this is what I'm going to use it, okay. So let me double click because I need to get these faces rather. So I'm going to bring this one down, okay, and then bring this one up instead, okay. So that's what I'm going to do, okay. So let's do the do. All right, so this is what I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, right click, layer, I'm going to bring to front, okay. So we want to bring to the front, so that this is what we have, okay. Now we have the name Jonathan Peterson. I'm going to look at this, so you see how this is it. So I'm going to bring this one here, all right. Yeah, so I'm going to use this. Now remember I told you that we're going to work within these margins, okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click here, okay, and I'll call this okay, the smile. Ignore my Grammarly stuff, okay. It's a plugin, the smile project, okay. So that's what I'm doing, okay. Now you can do this on Fiverr and people will be paying you. So this is what I have, okay, the smile project, okay. Okay, I'm going to put this we give hope, all right, and then boom, okay. So the next thing is that I'm going to put the YouTube subscribe here, okay. I want it to be here, I don't want it to be down there, okay, because this is where I want the emphasis to be. I'm going to come here, I'm going to reduce the size a bit. Now you can let me zoom in a bit, okay, so that you can easily do some touches to it. One beautiful thing is that when you stretch, when you are moving it, it will snap so that it will center it, okay. So I have this here, I'm going to make this a bit small, and then so that I have this here. So in principle, this basically I've been able to create this. So I'm going to put this one here because this is not so relevant for me, and I can decide to change the background. And one beautiful thing about Canva is that you see this image, it has given me the color scheme or the color wheel, so I can decide to pick this or make this, and then, you know, pick a color that, you know, will resonate with what I'm doing. So I'm going to pick the dark one. Okay, so and I'm going to work on this. We give hope. I'm going to choose, you know, one color, okay, from this, so that, you know, this is what I have. So now I'm going to stretch this here, and then I'm going to make this, you know, choose this color scheme rather, and I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to do ww, okay, ww, smile hope.com. So basically that's the website. Okay, but it's not centered, so let's center it in the middle. Boom. So this is basically how to create, you know, I've created a simple YouTube banner. Okay, so this is where you need, when you upload this on your YouTube channel, you see that this one fits in better. So basically that is how to do it. And then let me know your thoughts. If there is something else you want me to do on Canva, or you want me to do more extensive video on the Fiverr, let me know your challenges in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.